Hi everyone, this is Ryan from Zoom, and in this video we will go over updating the firmware on your G11 Multi-effects processor. You can check your current firmware version as the G11 powers on. For the most current firmware version, go to zoomcorp.com and download the G11 firmware zip file. Navigate to the Support and Download section in the top right of the page, then type G11 in the search bar and select it. You will see the newest firmware download available in the Software section of the page. Click the link to download the zip file. Unzip this file, and in this folder, you will find a file labeled G11.zuf. This file will be needed to update your G11. Connect a USB flash drive to your computer and move only the file labeled G11.zuf to the drive. Disconnect the drive from your computer, and with the G11 powered off, connect the USB flash drive to the G11's USB host terminal. While pressing and holding foot switches 1 and 2, power on the G11. Press and hold the two foot switches until Starting is displayed on the screen. Please note, do not turn the power off or remove the USB flash drive during a firmware update. Doing so could cause the G11 to become unresponsive. After the firmware update completes, turn off the G11. Your G11 is now up to date. For more information and product updates, please go to zoomcorp.com.